Hello, hello. Ayun. Narinig ko na. Bakit?
Destroy everything and take away everything.
Drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt all flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song.
live kami, okay? Dito.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you, Milen.
Oh, yes!
Ano yun, world record.
Talaga?
Ano na yun, kumusta na siya?
Paglabas nila to, ay dami nila.
Naya.
Paglabas nila doon, ay nakaano na siya eh. Hindi ko na nakita lumabas. Pumunta sa pag-swimming, hindi ko nakita. Yung biking, hindi ko na nakita yung biking eh. Nawala na siya, pero pagdating.
I tried a ton of AI.
Nagawa ko.
Finish line.
Finish line. Nagawa ko. Yung biking, lumabas sila. Alam mo, dami na mga, ano sa mga...
Provide what someone really hopes at waterfront restaurants.
Takbo lang eh. Kung marathon yun, dalawa oras yun. Tapos may swimming tayo. Ilang tayo swimming. Oo,
Paano net?
active pa siya ngayon.
Ilapit mo dito. Bahala.
Yan, gusto mo ba yung ganyang close-up? Ayan, mas maigi pa ganyan.
Oh, bagal ba? I should say what's on her mind. Even though she knows how much it's gonna hurt. Before I say another word, let me tell you I love you. Let me hold you close and say these words gently as I can. There's been another man. Oops, sorry. That was requested before in spirit. Halika na dito, Lorna. If I see you.
Doon yung ano eh, yung pinanap yung ano yung
Headquarters ng Amazon, Microsoft,
If I sing you a love song, will you always
Basta pa! Headquarters nila.
will you hear it on lonely nights
No.
when I'm not around? If I sing you a love song, will you hear it forever? Remind you how much I care and how I needed you. me sing a love song for you. Love songs don't leave, but lovers often do. Oh, baby, I'm afraid it's not the
Kumanta na kayo. Oh, you're next na dito. Lord, ikaw na next.
Parang ang mga palita lang.
I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my day so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Now look at me. Yes, I'm me. Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid
kayo na.
Wala na.
Next. Lorna, halika na dito.
Responsibility rin ng aso.
Kumanta ka na. Masakit na yun na lang muna. Kailangan ko nang uminom ng tubig. Ayan. Tumama. Sir Jim. Alam niya. Ewan ko. Tanong mo. Ay, kaya ka. Hello.
Ikaw ang pinapangarap, pinaghinayang ko ang lahat. Bakit ba pagsisi laging nasabi ang mga lumipas ay di na maaaring balikan. Sayang, bakit ako nangangailangan ba? Tuloy ngayon namuluan ng hinayang. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang dati mong pagmamahal, pagkaingatan ko at alagaan. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo, ang gusto ko'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. Oh, sayang, bakit ako nangangailangan pa? Tuloy ngayon lumuluan at nanghinayang. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang dati mong pagmamahal, pagkaingatan ko at alagaan. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo, ang gusto ko'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. Balik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo, ang gusto ko'y lagi na lang sa piling mo.
Galing. Naki, ano lang ako, pangulo lang ako.
Akala ba kayo ko yung kanta ka? Sige lang. Saan na ba? Saan na ba? Di ba nag-drive ka ba dito?
No.
Oo, yan nag-drive. Ano lang ba ano?
Bakit?
Hatid ko na lang siya sa akin. Kasi
Tapos?
sa wala nang naalis
Will you hear it on lonely nights?
Nagay.
When
Antay ka lang sa akin.
I'm
Antay ka lang sa akin, don't worry.
if I see you, will you hear it forever?
Ikaw na, si Sally na ikaw na
Remind
dahil.
you how much I care and how I needed you. That's all last long than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love songs don't leave you, but lovers often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. If I see you alone, let it always be with you. When the others have gone away, let it still be there.
Yung mga catcher ko.
Love lasts longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love songs don't leave you, like lovers often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, lonely nights when I'm not around.
I-type nyo na lang.
Ito po, like, meron tomorrow. Bye-bye. Alin?
Please don't let them see everything I am, everything I will be.
The way you see an idea in your mind, the way you describe it to a friend. This is how website creation should be. Expression as natural as thinking. Let it out, shape it into something.
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true since I looking through the eyes of love. I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in a storm we'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please don't let this feeling end. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in a storm we'll find some light, knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love.
Thank you. Kanta na. Anong kantahin natin?
Kanta ka nga dito.
Si Edith.
OMG. Ayaw mo karoon ng PTSD.
You can relax. These pieces are easy to clean, and some styles feature machine washable. Others discover next gen Revella and Ashley.
Masaya naman.
Nag-isip na yung isa. Nag-isip na.
Easy to clean, and some styles feature.
Natutulog.
Makakatulog pa rin ako niya. Ako pag natulog ako ng alanganin ng oras.
Hindi ko alam. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Matagalog dahil.
Tagalog tayo.
Alam mo siguro ito dahil. Hindi ko alam eh. Wala ko masyadong alam na Tagalog.
Ikaw, alam mo yun, ikaw. Yung ano yun sa ilalim ng
Ikaw nga to. Hindi ko to alam. Ano na.
ano tayo?
Hindi ko masyadong
Hindi
alam
namin
yung
tayo pagtagalog. Ito na lang.
Hindi ko alam. Paano ba yung
Ano bang kakantahin natin? Dito. Mag-search ka.
Ay.
Yan. Ano kantahin natin?
Sa libin na lang.
Ay, ayun yan. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko kabisado ng kanta niya. Ano bang kantahin natin? Ay, mo naman Tagalog yata to eh. Yan, umpisahan na ng Tagalog. Kailangan magalitan ng ano. Anong English na alam mo? Yung type natin. Parang maumpisa na. Para makita natin kung para maumpisahan. Kaya nga eh.
Iba eh. Nasa ilagay mo yung karaoke. Isang ini-karaoke.
Eh kasi puro Tagalog yan sa Zoom.
Tingnan mo, sino kasama dito?
Alam mo yung gusto mo yung kanta ni Lady Gaga rin. Yung bago ngayon.
Anong
Hindi ko lang
kamag-anak?
alam yun eh.
Si Bessie alam niya. Ano yun? Tingnan mo natin. Lady Gaga.
Yung Lady Gaga na bago.
Yung ano pa yung...
Hindi.
Yung bago yung parang... Basta yung Lady Gaga. Hindi ko alam yun. Basta narinig ko lang yun sa kaibigan kong nagkaano na kumakanta sa kanta niya. I like it. Pero parang ang hirap yata kanta. Mataas ko ang ano eh.
Shallow?
Shallow, mataas yung shallow. Parang hindi ko na. Basta yung
Hindi ko
Okay, tingnan natin kung anong lalabas.
Yeah, yung isa pa, parang, yung pa yun sila ni Bruno Mars, parang hindi man.
Meron silang
again. Bad romance like. That time wala rin akong ano.
Diamond and Smile. Ayun o! Diamond and Smile with Bruno Mars.
I'm not sure. I don't know how to say it.
Million Grace. Hindi ko rin alam yan. Uwi na tayo.
Ito naman, si Kanye na naman.
Gusto rin makakiss. Gusto ko rin makakiss.
Uwi na naman. Ito naman si Uwi. Lalo na lang, Uwi. Pwede na makita dyan.
Uwi na tayo. Akala ko lang mo.
Thousand years. Si Christina Perry. Umuulan ba?
Whoa, looks like you're backing up a bit here. Okay, Luann? Is there a Luann in the house?
Remember, you don't work here. Young homeowners love to get involved with everything.
Luann going once.
Progressive can't protect you from.
Hindi ko alam yung dahil. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam yan. Ang alam ko makanta, malunga. Ano din?
Pareho lang ng jowa mo dati.
Ay, naputol ka? Bakit?
Pareho lang ng jowa mo dati.
Hindi ko jowa yun.
Isang linggo mo na yun. Minsan nawawala. Okay. Parang nag-ano, nag-stop siya.
Usapan mo
Anong
matatanda
kaya?
doon, pasali yung parang mga
Ano na iba?
Ang ilaw niyo.
Ha?
At ang liwaliwanag. Wala yung
Ano
mga...
kami tingin for vloggers?
Naghahanap lang ng makakanta.
Oh, yan. Dapat ganyan.
Alam, nakikita mo ba ako? Halika na, medley na to. Ito medley. Ewan ko pa.
Ganda na lang kung sir.
Ang gina?
the morning to cry, but down inside, we never know why. The road is narrow and long when eyes meet eyes, and the feeling is strong. I turn away from the wall, stumble and fall, but I give you it all. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. It's a right I defend over and over again. What did I do? Would you eternally mine in love there is no measure of time? We planned it all at this time, that you and I live in each other's heart. We can be oceans away, you feel my love, I hear what you say. Your thrill is ever alive, stumble and fall, but I give you it all. I'm a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world. Yes, I know you.
Ay, mahina. Kunin mo yung isa. Meron pa rin isa. Wala ka? Ay, meron na. Yes, ayan. Mahina ka. We need you. Kasi binamaan natin kanina yun. Hindi na tayo nag-exercise sa gamit.
Hello. Lately out today, I'm a space full of strangers where they don't belong. It's not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to. You're always here. You're always here. When there's no getting over and waiting for, when my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can take all the remnants and Here in Pensacola, Florida. Hi, thank you, Jean.
Ano ba tayo natin next?
Tapos sila tatandaan sila papangat sila.
Gusto mo kantahin yung ano, yung Mamang Sorbitero? We'll see.
Ang daming mga ano. Ang daming mga stand, oh. Nakailang stand kayo dyan.
Artista.
Saan ka tumingin? May camera. Hi!
Dito wala kasi bilis lang ako. Doon wala akong
Good evening.
Ayun po siya, expose yung aking beauty kit. Si Bessie na lang. Ha? Ikaw na lang ma-expose yung beauty mo.
Ito para sa inyo lahat ito.
Pero muna ako. Pray muna ako.
Kaya nga,
ito
Jake.
mukha ako sa Facebook. Pray
Dance is more than just using your body. So much of dance is in your expressions. Linkedin has likely contributed to my pros 8.
My friends say I make
Commercial.
I was trained for my music.
Yan na.
Oh, yan, Jean. Para sa'yo to, ha?
Correct. Oo. Mamang Sorbitero, ang pangalan mo. Ganda yung ice cream, gusto ko. Iinit ng buhay, pinapawin ko. Sa mga loob na iisan ko. Mamang Sorbitero, tayo sumayaw. Gawin mo lumawa, ulit ka na. Batang munti sa'yo naghihintay. Bibigyan ligaya, ayong tagaraw. Mas nagmula sa iyong papawid. Konting sorprende sa pisngi ng langit. Mata na lalagay na nananahilig. Mayroong sekreto na sa isip. Mga sorbetero, tayo sumayaw. Kailan magmamawa, ulit ka ba? Parang mundi sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bibigyan ligaya, ngayong tagaraw. Mainit ng langit, nagbabago mata. Sunod na pag-ibig, parang awa mo na. Mga sorbetero, nasaan ka? Iingat ang buhay, bawiin mo na. Mga sorbetero, tayo sumayaw. Kailan magmulawa, ulit ikaw yan. Batang munti sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bibigyan ligaya, ngayong tagaraw. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Mga sorbetero, tayo sumayaw. Kailan magmulawa, ulit ikaw ang batang munti sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bibigyan ligaya, ngayong tagaraw. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, thank you. Lalala. Naubos na yung boses ko sa kalalala.
Join the new Michael's Rewards program for free and get 3% back on every purchase. Level up to gold and earn 6% back.
Anak. Next.
Thank you, Jean. Chiquitita. Chiquitita. Ah, sorry. Obladi, oblada. Oblada.
Kumawin mo si Cassandra. Sorry, Cassandra. You are absorbing the snore.
Kinakanta
Okay,
rin siya.
Grandpa.
Ay, kantahin ba natin to? Or Chiquitita or Top of the World?
Kung kaya ito bibili niya, huwag
No.
Baka mademanda tayo ng copyright.
Next!
copyright kayo dyan. So,
Ay, ko. What's up?
Huwag yan, huwag yan, huwag yan.
Oo nga. Kiss me, kiss me. I don't wanna.
Yeah, maganda yan, maganda yan.
I don't wanna talk about it.
Okay, sige. Kasi ang boses ko parang nagano.
Ako nawawala na.
hindi ko lang lang yun practice dahil.
Oo, isang linggo.
Tagal na hindi ko man.
Ay, para sa'yo. Okay? Gian, sa'yo to. Can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a miracle. I don't wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Whoa, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadow hide the colors of my heart? For the tears, love for the night, pierce the stars in the sky. Don't mean nothing to you, there a miracle. I don't wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer.
to my heart. Oh, my heart.
Bye, Kathy.
My heart. Whoa, my heart. I don't wanna talk about it.
About to love somebody.
Nagpa-practice na ba kayo para sa kabayan?
Pwedeng ganyan ako dyan.
Eh sila, hindi na kayo practice na. Bakit na nila?
Ato?
Yung gumagawa.
Kung may nakalimutan ka.
Ay, para sa inyo lahat, to love somebody. Para kay LB. There's a light, a certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be, to live with you, to live with you. There's a way, everybody says, to do each and every little thing. But what does it bring if I ain't got you? Ain't got you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. My brain, I see your face again. I know my brain of mine. You ain't got to be so blind, and I'm blind, so very blind. I'm a woman. Can't you see why I am? I live and breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? Ain't got you. And baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. No, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. No, You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Yeah.
Ano po ang asawa ko?
Dadasig na.
Nakagaling ko na yan.
Oh, talaga? Kakargahin mo na?
May namin. Mag-iisip.
Ano pa?
Kahit ako siya.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long, long way.
Minsan na, na-install.
And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Come to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love in your eyes. Then no wonder all it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Yeah, I'm perfect. We wish you be young. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell him, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful tonight. Believe me. Yes. I'm off tomorrow. The next 3 days I'm off.
Sometimes life can be a little messy.
Commercial.
But with Next Gen Nutella Performance Fabric at Ashley, we've got your whole home.
Saradong bago.
And like yun, nilagay mo.
Lungkot naman dyan, Jo.
Hindi, nakaano na kanina. Scarlet video mo nakita ko na yan. Yun na nga ang pinindot ko. Luntok na yun. Nawala? Bakit nawala eh? Kaya nga, inilagay ko na yan. Ayan na yun. Pinindot ko na nga yan kanina eh. Sira ulo ito eh. Nawawala eh.
Yan.
Yan na, kanina nawala eh.
Sintonado ba?
O, yan yung sintonado, no?
Maganda to. Nakakaiyak. Akin lang, kantay na.
Turn from your hand. Let me fly to distant land. Over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of this highway, 40 stars and lonely room. Takes a shadow, cast in blue, and my eyes on you, heroes of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind turns our tide, and these shadows turn from purple into gray. Or does this skyline vision dream of you, waiting for the day when we can enter the streets and fly away again? Fly away, skyline vision, fly towards the dreams left so very far behind. Towards the dreams left so very far behind. Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new morning, to love and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear the living bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this taken memory. Open out this gate towards the sun, or just this skyline vision, dreaming of the old, waiting for the day that we can spread its wings and fly away again. Fly away, sky vision, fly towards a dream you left so very far behind. Fly away, sky vision, fly towards a dream you left so very far behind.
siya humid. Pag humid, medyo moist eh. Kaya dry.
Okay ka lang dyan?
Yes.
Malapit na tayo mag-close na.
Yeah.
Magkano tayo ng ano?
10 minutes. Hindi na naman ako.
Yeah? Kasi hindi ka umihi ng umihi kanina.
Hindi, nakakapatay. May mamili na ako dito. Ano yan? The years? Energy yan.
Aha. Can't remember when you were there. Bakit may pista ka when I didn't care for anyone like you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do through the years. You never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years. I've never been afraid. I love with my weakness, and I'm so blessed to stay right here with you through the years. And remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear it's gonna be everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. When everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you through the years. I never had doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about. My love you through the years. You never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years. It's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay
pupunta kung hindi ko kiniklik pupunta. Kiniklik ko, hindi pupunta.
Sensitive.
Oo.
Dapat may mouse. Hi, Emma.
Global Karaoke TV.
Ay!
Oh, ano na yan?
Tignan mo. Iba na naman. Hindi.
Maybe when I met you there was peace and love.
Tignan mo.
Maybe when I met you, the God I love is running my heart. Maybe if you did.
Ano ba yan? Oo eh.
Lumulundag.
Lumulundag siya.
Nawala, maganda pa rin yung kanta.
Known for pursuing your passions.
Commercial.
No one wants to be known for cancer.
May iba, lumulundag pa.
But a treatment can be. Keytruda is known to treat cancer.
Una ko pag yung malaki.
Oo.
Lumulundag ko. Mas para sa ito ha. Hindi masabit lang.
But it's over now. Lay a whisper on my pillow. Leave the winter on the ground. I wake up lonely. Is there a silence in the bedroom and all around? Touch me now. I close my eyes and believe away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. More than we touch, till the time has run out. Maybe leaving, we're together, touch shelter by your heart. But in and outside, I turn to water like a teardrop in your palm. And it's so hard, winter is day, I dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the wonderful, it's where the wind blows. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moment we touched, till the time I ran out. Yeah, it must have just been love, but it's over now. But so that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where
Para sa siya pa manalan. Hindi ko makita yung ay. Ang hirap.
Kasi wala naman ako ngayon. Kaya lumulun lang.
If I were him, I'd bundle my home and auto and pick up the wheels at your savings.
Are you talking about bowling?
No, bundle, yeah. Bundle.
Bundle and save with the personal price plan. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
So why don't we make this simple? Your best warrior against mine.
Father, you're more than a match for any Philistine. Besides, God fights for us.
So be it. Choose your man to fight. Good. Very good.
Not sure.
Oh, this time I know someday you need to find something that you left behind, something I can give you. Oh, oh, this day, like the night, love me so clear. The hearts are good for souvenirs, and memories are forever. Oh, this time.
Ano ba yung ulit sa gano'n?
Alam mo, binindot ko yan, ha?
We are gardeners.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Jardiance plays a role in my story too. I have type 2 diabetes, but I manage it well with Jardiance, a once daily pill that helps lower my A1C. It works 24/7 in the body to flush out some sugar.
And for adults with type 2 diabetes and known heart disease, Jardiance can lower the risk of
Tumigil ka na.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Japan.
got a roaring mind. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou. Saving nickels, saving dime, working till the sun don't shine, looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday, come with me to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats with their sails afloat. If I could only see the familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. Gonna see my baby again. Gonna be with some of my friends. Maybe I'll find better again. Oh, but saving nickels, saving time, working till the sun don't shine, looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday, come with me to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where the fishing boats with their sails afloat. If I could only see that familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be.
Sabi na lang, pag iba niya sasabi words. Kasi wala bula yung contact lens. Kailangan na palitan ng contact lens.
Kailangan talaga yung lahat. Ayan, pala eh.
On the bar by my side, the silver moon and evening tide. Oh, some sweet day, gonna take away this hurting inside. Well, I'll never be blue, my dreams come true. On Blue Bayou. Thank you and good night.
Thank you. Ayan para sa inyong dalawa dyan. Hindi tayo napapansin. Si Mayo.
Next, ano next?
Hello?
Hello.
Motherfucking 85 lives here?
The absolute legend of beginning her throne to ruthless online streaming slayer with no mercy for any.
Sinabi mo kanina.
Got your picture, got you gave me, and it's time with love, just like it used to be. The only thing different, the only thing new. I've got your picture, and she's got you. I've got the records that we used to share. Ay, nakita din. Punta ka lang dito para matulog. Derek, gusto mo yan?
Refresh your space with a mid-century makeover at Ashley. Discover vibrant and bold pieces that are inspired by the cat. And made for today. It's time to get retro with Ashley. Shop in-store and online.
Why AAA? Because you're stuck in a rut, literally. Because you're out of gas and in a pickle. Because stuff happens. And AAA is the most trusted roadside assistance. Join today at AAA.com.
Take the ribbon from your head, shake it loose and let it fall. The day is here, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I will try to understand. Let the night take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. It's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't want to be alone. Help me make it through the night. Ayos pa kayo dyan? O tayo mag-good night na?
Ay, oras. Ay, late pa yung oras na yun. Dito na yung oras ko.
Huling ganda na. Huli na.
Ano yan?
Yun na, mayroon na.
Ano yan? Good night, my love, na? Start ko.
buy myself for car insurance. I'm scared to even think about my wallet. But instead, with Drive Easy on the Geico app, my son's safe driving score saved us even. Good night, my love. Pleasant dreams. Sleep tight, my love. May tomorrow be sunny and bright, and bring you closer to me. Before you go, there's just one thing I'd like to know. You love me still one more, or has it done If you should wait in the still of the night, please tell me. Oh, I'll be there. You know I care. Please give your love to me only. Good night, my love. Pleasant dreams. Sleep tight, my love. Maybe tomorrow sunny and bright, and bring you closer to me. If you should wait in the still of the night, please have no fear. Oh, I'll be there. You know I care. Please just give your love to me only. Good night, my love. Pleasant dreams. Sleep tight, my love. May tomorrow be sunny and bright, and bring you closer to me, and bring you closer to me. Good night, my love. Pleasant dreams. Good night, everyone. Tapos na ako ang konsyerto namin. Kaya lang walang sunog doon. Next time. See you next time. Good night, everyone. See you again. Emma, good night. I hope you enjoy our singing. Good night, everyone.
Ano ba sa Tagalog ang good night?
Magandang gabi.
Hindi.
Ay, magandang gabi. Paalam. Paalam is good.
Emma, ano ba sa
Goodbye.
Tagalog?
Sa Tagalog,
Alam ko good night. Okay. Bye.
paalam.
Manila Rocks. Bye.
Gabi, paalam na gabi. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Ang hirap yung Tagalog yung good night.
Bye. Thank you. Ayan na ha, napagod ang boses
Bye.
ko ha.
Goodbye, friends.